Hi everyone, this is Loreli with WTI. Check out this sleek new addition to my bedroom. A stylish white two-drawer side table that is not just about the looks, but also packs a punching functionality. So the design is really clean and modern. I love the crisp white finish. It gives a fresh and airy vibe to the room. The drawers have this handle-less design, which keeps the look super streamlined and neat. The best part about this side table, I would say, is the storage. The two drawers are really spacious. I keep my books, a few gadgets, and some nighttime essentials in here. The drawers glide open and close smoothly, which is a big plus. The assembly was pretty straightforward. The instructions were clear and it didn't take long at all. I'm really happy with this side table. It's stylish, functional, it didn't break the bank. So if you're looking for something simple yet chic to add to your space, I definitely recommend checking this one out. And that is my point of view.